So we're in Amsterdam and we're just planning our day. We're going to go to the flower market, the old town. Then we're going to check into a hostel. Then we're going to go to Vondelbach. Then we're going to go to a little boat and beer thing. We're going to go over to the other side of the river. Basically, there's a really cool recommended bar to watch the sunset. And then we're going to go for dinner at Winkle 43 ? Where we can get winkles, apple strudels, and then we're going to go to the red light district and have a nice quiet drink. Oh, we have a. Has us tasted every single cheese so far. Truffle cheese, nasty. So we're here at Winkle 43 for the best apple pie in the world. I mean, I'll go into it. It's a bit mushed up. We had to go straight into it, but trust me, it's the best you'll ever have. We just went to grab a thing. There isn't a thing. There we go. We're on a tram to Central Station. So I'm just at the Central Station ferry port, and it's safe to say the Amsterdamians and the Dutch in general absolutely love their bikes. This is ridiculous. This is just one of the local cycle parks, and they're absolutely everywhere. They're free of charge. There's even a floating one just back there. But it's just amazing how much this city is set up for and loves their cycling. Apparently in the 70s there was about 3,000 deaths in 1971 alone. Googled it, Wikipedia, and they just basically said, right, we're going to put a stop to it. We're not going to have any more of this, so they changed it and they made the whole city basically cycle friendly, and it really is now, obviously. And now apparently nearly 60% of all Amsterdammers cycle every day, every single day. It's amazing. This is Pillock. Sounds like Pillock, but it's not. It's called Pillock. Good morning, Amsterdam. So today is our second day off, and courtesy of Mum and Dad, we're going to the Heineken brewery tour, and we're going to have a few beers and we're going to lay in the park and chill and have a nice day off before we start the real cycle later. So really looking forward to it. It's supposed to be really good fun, and there it is, just over there, Heineken. Let's go.
And there's one more thing we have to say. I'm going to say cheers, but we are in the Netherlands, so we have our own language. Proost! Very good. Music to it.
Yeah, score!
I need to wait 8 years.
Oh yeah.
It's nice, but I'm not sure. It's like... Kijk maar, ik wou hier... Ik wou hier... I really...
Limbo.
Op een moment, when it's busy.
we just spent the whole afternoon cruising around these rivers in Amsterdam. This is the life. It's so beautiful here, especially in summer. There's people living here in the little houseboats and stuff. People jumping in the river. It's so clean, so friendly, everyone's so happy. It's just the most amazing city, and what a start to our trip. You just can't imagine this in London, just swimming in the river this time of night, swimming up, having a drink, carrying on. It's amazing. Good morning from Amsterdam. This is our last day. It's Tuesday morning and we're just packing up all of our kit, having a good old sort out, ready for the continuation of our trip. We had 2 days off in Amsterdam and it was absolutely brilliant. We did so much, explored so much of the city. But now it's time to get back to the real day job and get back on these 2 steeds and carry on. We're going to cycle south towards Utrecht today, and then from there we're going to head to the Rhine, and then it's the Eurovelo 5, is it, Hazza? The Eurovelo 15, and it goes all the way down to basically down Switzerland via Germany and France. So really looking forward to getting back on the bikes. So we're just packing up all of our food, got some essentials in that one. Also a really good time when you're in hostels is to charge all your kit, all the equipment. Good. Happy days. Courtesy of Adam Hall, I've got my new cycle jersey, which I'm really excited to wear. The other one was just really old and a bit itchy, so I've got this lovely little number. This is from Rafa.